Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make coconut tart, and I have 2¼ cups of flour, and that is all-purpose flour. My yeast is activated, so I'm going to pour it into my flour. This is 2¼ teaspoon of yeast and ½ tablespoon of sugar with ½ cup of warm water, and you mix it. So I have quarter room temperature butter, and it can be partly melted as well. So I'm going to work this with my hands, but this needs some more liquid. And this is ½ cup of water, warm water, with 3 drops of yellow coloring, and I'm using the yellow coloring. You don't have to if you don't want to put the coloring, okay? And you want to knead this well to a firm dough. And mine is not going to be really bright yellow. No, it's not going to be bright yellow. So let me transfer this onto my cutting board and knead it some more. Okay guys, so I'm going to put this to rest. This was just some extra flour for kneading, but I didn't need it. So let's put this to rest for an hour, and you have to cover it with a cloth. So guys, let's move on to the second step, and I have 2 cups of coconut, grated coconut. So I'm going to pour my 1/4 cup of water. I'm going to mix that a bit. And I have this on medium-low heat. So I'm going to add ½ cup of white sugar. Give that a nice mix. And this does not take long to cook, okay guys, about 5 minutes. So I'm going to add my spices now. So I'm using ½ teaspoon of grated ginger, ¼ teaspoon of grated nutmeg, ½ teaspoon of cinnamon, and that's ground cinnamon, and 1/8 teaspoon of clove, ground clove. Just mix this. So I'm going to turn off the stove, guys, to add my ½ teaspoon of vanilla extract. Give that a mix. Guys, I'm going to add my red coloring, and I'm using the liquid. Okay, I'm going to do 1 drop, oops, 2, okay. About 6 went in there, right? 6 drops. Mix that. So guys, I like this color, so I'm satisfied with this. And my hole is very tiny, so you can add until you get that color you want. Okay guys? My dough has risen, so let's begin. The third step. Knead it a little. So what we are going to do, we are going to prepare the dough now. And you can make them how big you want, guys. Doesn't matter. So we're going to roll it. We're going to roll it. And you are not going to roll them too flat, okay guys? Not too flat. What I do so I can get the perfect circle. So we are going to put in the filling inside. I'm just gonna bring that over like this. And you press it down with your fork. You place it on your greased baking dish. Okay, let's do one more. Demonstrate one more. Spread it out. Rolling pin. It's very moist, the coconut, very moist. Bring it over. Place on your baking sheet. So I'm going to continue and do the rest, guys, then I'll get back to you. Guys, I'm finished and I used all the coconut and I got 8. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cover it and let it rest for half an hour. I'm going to put them in the oven to bake. You know how long I bake them for, okay guys? So guys, after 20 minutes, I take them out and I'm going to glaze them with some sugar water. Smelling so lovely, guys. Going to put them back for 5 minutes. So guys, see, they're finished. They're finished. I'm just going to give it one more glaze and they're good to go. Let them cool down. It's going to be delicious. I'm going to put these on my rack so they can cool. And I'll break one for you when it's cooled completely. Guys, the coconut tart has cooled down, so I'm going to break one for you. And try your best to seal down the edges. Okay? I didn't do it properly, but that's fine. So I'm going to break one for you. And you see it's very soft and nice. That's how I like it. So I'm going to break it for you. Whoa! See? That's how I like it, guys. And you can bake it the full 30 minutes and glaze it after and leave it like that. Or you can do what I do, bake for 25 minutes, glaze, and put it in the oven. Okay, guys? Look at that. Wow. Very good, guys. Very good. Thank you again for watching.